this storm coming before it was even here. Hey, do you want to listen to the sounds of the storm? I love the sound of rain, don't you? What's that sound? Oh, right. Hello? Oh, look. It's Goop. And Shovel and Pail. Remember how we helped them listen to find that stream?
The rain makes a pretty sound, too.
Oh, a thunderstorm.
Just as good as watching a movie.
Right, remember that movie we added all those cool sounds to? Wow. All the sounds are getting louder and faster. Thank you so much for all your help today. Listening, figuring out the sounds. Now it's time for so long. But we'll sing just one more song.